Hey guys, in this video, we are going to Redang Island. Redang Island, guys, you have to go to Kuala Terenganu to access Redang Island via ferry or speedboat. Hey guys, we are here right now in Kuala Terenganu, basically in Merang Jetti, heading to Redang Island. So coming here was a little bit of an issue. The AirAsia flight arrives about 3 o'clock from Johor Bahru to Kuala Terenganu airport, and when we arrived, we went to take a taxi from the airport heading to Banda jetty, which is the closest jetty in Terengganu town. The jetty Banda supposed to have a boat at 4 o'clock. The people said over there that the boat is not going at 4 because it's something wrong with the boat, so we have to drive here all the way here to Merang Jetti for heading for Redang, and luckily there is a private boat that goes there. Rimba, we went for a walk, trekking to the other side of the island. The other side of the island, which has Sari Pacifica and many much more hotel to choose from. It was a bit tricky to get into the trekking track, and I'll be showing you guys, guiding you how to get into the track. When you're coming from Long Beach, you'll see this road and you follow the track. As seen here, there is a pipe, water pipe, I think. So this is where very small track. You just follow this. If you see this ring, like a sling route, then you are in the correct direction, heading to Rimba or Taras Beach. This trekking track will walk you total time maybe about 40 to an hour, depends how is your speed, so it's not that far.
Water's coming in, and the birds, they will sit here and want to drink the water. They fell in, and the carnivore.
No, it's too slithery inside. They cannot
get
get out. Yeah.
And that's the reason why the birds die.
Or flies.
Yeah, or bugs or anything.
Or bees. They drink.
Yeah, they fell in and can't get out.
Oh dear. So this is the other side of the Long Beach, and this is the public beach where Rimba guests come here.